Did you know that the Voces assignment tool allows you to automate recording activities? Choose a recording activity from the list, assign that page to your students. You'll have the option here for automated recording. For listening and speaking exercises, the first audio will automatically play after just a few seconds, and then the record button will automatically be pressed. Once that recording has finished, the next audio will play, and so on until the end. For your presentational speaking prompts, the page is going to give the student 1 minute to read or view the prompt, and then it will automatically begin that first recording. If there are multiple recordings, the system will wait 30 seconds between recordings. Once you've selected that option, just finish the assignment process, and the students will see that activity